sesino-skim jip njengamanje. Inkosi Malanga, nginjani mfethu? Siyaphila nathi.
Babukeli nabalaleli emakhaya kanti eThekwini phansi eGagasini.
Yeah.
I really hope the fans you are and in good spirits. Sithi babuchala the wise coming from the east.
Yeah.
It's your boy.
For sure. Mfethu, kusho ukuthini kuwena ukuba ingxenye ukuba yiphathi ye-Durban July?
Kusho ukuthi umhlaba uhlangene ama-problems ayi-9.
Yeah.
Kunama-region, kune-intrada, so to be born SA Mchana is a privilege and an honor.
Yeah, for sure.
And also, mina ngithanda abantu, and whoever knows me knows that I love people. I'm about young people.
Yes, yeah.
And lokuthi sibagaya ama-opportunity nama-chance. But let us not spare road. Sibafundise ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi we prune them because babekhula la bantwana. Kuba inkinga nje yami. Umntwana akakhuliswa ngemali, ukhuliswa ngothando.
Yeah, for sure. Sikhulume nge-outfit yakho oyilahlele no inspiring outfit yakho.
The outfit mina vele uvuka ibambe.
For sure.
Represent ikasi.
Yeah, for sure.
Bona no Thwalubu no Mavesta.
Yeah.
It came organically.
For sure.
Vele ngiyishaya la ngaphezulu.
Yeah.
Ihlonipho kuyini.
For sure.
Le phansi chama hamba ngalula.
All the way from Joburg, wezala eThekwini. How's the atmosphere?
Atmosphere Mchana is too outside.
Yeah,
We are blessed and highly favored.
For sure,
As
for
you
sure.
can see, Mchana, now everything is on the stage. That was
Yeah.
No, things are good in Mchana, and big things are one. I'm
For
happy
sure.
that we are back from COVID until now. So clearly, God is not a God of second chance, but a God of many chances.
For sure.
So it is our chance to live and lead just an honest life and be happy as people.
Tell us about the show yakho. Now invite khona ama-gangster. Ave beyithanda abantu la show.
Gangster, you know, it's not a new thing in town. But how we articulate, how we bring about fresh talent. But I need the opportunity and a chance. And as much as
For sure.
We need to support talent and give them people in essence. Same as abantu, abake baba, abantu abayingulube. Also, namhlanje bawukhona. People they deserve a second chance.
For sure.
We have wrong people in so many ways. So if we don't give them an opportunity to ventilate and to say, you know, what makes them tick and how and why they decided to change their lives. Inspired. Lives could be influenced, lives could be impacted, and lives could be changed.
Exactly. Sikhulume ngawo. You always go ey'koleni ey'hlukahlukene, especially nje ngengakubona kwey'hlukene e-Israel ekululeni. Uhambela iy'kole ukhuthaza iy'ntwana ey'ncane uzama ukulungisa indaba ye-behavior kulaba abakhulayo. Kusho ukuthini kuwena lokho?
You know, I've seen so many young people have read letters. The day one parent reads a suicide letter, kube khona umntwana othatha impilo yakhe ngenxa yokuthi bekabhulisha omunye umntwana, and the scheme was there. And I know how to be bullied, and I know ukuthi kuswela kuyinto enjani. How am I going to feel? So ukuza labantwana ngithi makungaba khona umntwana ongayichuma ulale ngenxa yakho, wena uyophila yiphi impilo? So ngamanye amagama igazi lomuntu liyakhuluma. Face it now, kusasa sithi baloyiwe nabantwana because kukhona la ilahleke khona. So I always encourage them with, hey, asiyolitho idobha ilahle khona. Ngiyakufanda, but you keep on and stay blessed.
For sure, thank you.